The Dream Series Air Mattress comes with an easy-to-use repair kit for small, accidental punctures that develop over time. To use the repair kit, you first need to identify the source of the leak. The air leak can be identified by carefully listening for the air escaping from an inflated mattress or by slowly combing your hand across the mattress and feeling for a leak. Once you identify the leak, mark the spot with color tape so you can pinpoint the location again in the future. We recommend color tape over a marker so you do not have a permanent ink stain residing on your mattress after the patching process is completed. Deflate the mattress fully by turning the motor knob to the deflate cycle. Once the mattress has deflated, flatten out the area around the puncture to ensure the area is as flat and smooth as possible. Take one of the pieces of the repair patch that come in the packaging with your Air mattress. Remove the paper from the bottom of the repair patch to expose the sticky adhesive and apply it directly on top of the puncture. Remember to apply firmly on a flat surface to ensure no air pockets form in the repair patch. Continue to apply firm pressure for 2 minutes to ensure the adhesive sticks to the mattress. Allow 4 hours for the patch to set while the mattress remains deflated. After 4 hours, the puncture will be sealed and the Air mattress will be ready to use. At this point, you can re-inflate and continue using the Air mattress for a wonderful night's rest. Please call or email support for any additional questions. The Sound Asleep Dream Series Air Mattress with Comfort Coil technology, the most comfortable air mattress on the market.
Keep in mind that a puncture might not be to blame when a mattress deflates. Temperature changes, like the furnace kicking on or off at night, can also cause a loss of pressure. But if a leak is indeed the culprit, act fast. The longer you continue to use the damaged air mattress, the larger the hole will grow, and the harder it will be to repair. Tools and materials: permanent marker, dish soap, water, lint-free rags, all-purpose cleaner, air mattress patch kit or bicycle tire repair kit. Strong adhesive, such as super glue, Gorilla Glue, contact cement, or rubber cement. Coghlan's air stop sealant, optional. Pair of 5-pound dumbbell. Books, optional. Talcum or baby powder, how to patch a hole in an air mattress. Follow these steps to repair your Intex airbed. Identify the hole and deflate the mattress completely. Clean off the area around the hole. Let it dry. Cut out a small patch of material to cover the hole. Add adhesive to the patch and place it over the hole. Place a heavy object, such as a large book or cement block, over the patched area and leave for 12 hours. Once you have allowed plenty of time for the new patch to stick, inflate the mattress in order to make sure the new patch works. Note: if the patch does not adhere easily or effectively, you may have to sand down the area around the hole before applying the patch. If you purchased a mattress with a flocked cover, one that is covered in small fibers in order to mimic the feeling of suede for additional comfort while sleeping, you should sand down your mattress after step 2, as the likelihood of your makeshift patch adhering to the mattress is significantly affected by the textured cover.